Hey everyone, welcome to Duck Techie, where we cover everything regarding coding. In this video, we'll be covering the essentials. This includes what is coding, why learn to code, what an IDE is, how to install Java, and writing your first line of code, the iconic Hello World. So, what exactly is coding? Well, you can think of it as giving instructions to a computer. Just like a recipe, the code tells the computer what to do. These instructions can create anything you want, really, like a web page or even a game. Now, why should you learn to code? Apart from it being really cool, obviously, coding is everywhere in the world. Just like the apps on your phone, the websites, the games you play, all of it comes from coding. When you learn to code, it opens up the possibility to be able to make all those things. It really is a lot of fun seeing what you can make. Imagine starting with a blank page, and then that turns into a full-fledged game. Or maybe you're on the more artsy side. You can design your own websites and host it for the world to see. Kinda cool, right? Learning how to code also opens you up to the jobs in the tech field, which we all know pay quite a good amount. Now, onto what an IDE is, and it stands for an Integrated Development Environment, and it's basically heaven for coders. It's a full package for where you can write, test, debug, and build any software you want. Very important. Now I'm going to show you where to go to get an IDE. So as you can see, I just searched up on Google Visual Studio Code, which is one of the many IDEs out there. It's the one I personally use and the one I'll be using in the tutorial, and it's pretty good. So you just click on here, and it's available on all platforms, which is great. So whatever you want, you can just download it from here. Now, this tutorial is in Java, as you can tell by the title, so you're obviously going to need to actually install Java. Now, the way I would recommend doing that is by getting an OpenJDK, which is a development kit that will give you access to everything you need. I personally use Red Hat, which if you just search up Red Hat OpenJDK, it'll come up with this, and you'll be able to get everything you need. So you just click on this, and you click download. Now, once you have everything installed, you can open up Visual Studio Code. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is head over to this Extensions tab, click on it, and search up Java. And this first one that pops up is an extension pack. And once you install that, you'll have everything you need in order to actually make your programs run. Now, the next thing you're going to want to do is head over to Folders and create a new file. And we'll call it hello.java. Now, this .java is very important. It's what tells it that it is a Java file. And you can see it already included some stuff for me. Now, we're not going to get into what all this means right now, the public class hello, but all you have to know is that it's going to help us do what we need to do. Now, this next stuff I'm not going to explain either, because it is a little bit more complicated than what needs to be known right now. So just follow along with what I type. Now, this is where the fun stuff comes. So, in order to print in Java, you write system.out.print parentheses, and then what you want to write in quotes. And in this case, we're writing hello, world. We'll add an exclamation point. And then you have to make sure you end with a semicolon outside of the parentheses. And now, here comes the fun part. You go down here into your terminal, and you type in java c hello.java. This is compiling the file. Click enter, and now as long as it came back onto a new line, it didn't say anything, you know that it compiled correctly. So now you can write java hello, and as you can see, it displayed hello world. Now to recap what we learned today, we learned what coding is, why you should learn to code, what an IDE is and how to install one, how to install Java, and how to write your first line hello world. If you enjoyed this video and want to continue learning how to code in Java, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, please leave a comment below. It'll be greatly appreciated and very helpful. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.